Nowadays, people they don't want visitors in their homes because food is very expensive. So when you visit someone's home, you have got money to buy food most of the time, even to last long or to stay more than 3 days in someone's house. People they don't want it. When you know that you want to go somewhere, you have to book some a hotel or somewhere a B&B. It's better than to sleep in someone's house, because other people they can laugh at you, but in their hearts they don't want you in their homes. So sometimes, guys, when you want to be free, you have to book a hotel. It's better than to go to someone's home. Even you know that it's your family member, you know that other family members they don't want you in their houses, they don't like you in their houses, and you force yourself that you are going to visit or to stay more than 3 days or what. If you want to, you have got a mission, maybe there is something you want to do, you have to budget a money for a B&B. It's better than, rather than to, you have to stay at your home. It's better when you know that you don't have money to pay for hotel or B&B. People they don't want visitors in their houses nowadays. Food is very expensive nowadays. They don't want, if you stay more than 3 days, you have to see their mood. They change their mood. They don't want visitors in their houses most of the time. So to avoid those things, when you want to be free, book a B&B or a hotel is better most of the time. Even it's family members, especially family members, they don't want visitors. They don't want. So sometimes be careful most of the time when you are visiting someone's house. It's better maybe to sleep one night. But as me, you know that I'm not comfortable nowadays to sleep in someone's house even for one night. I can't, because sometimes, guys, you don't know people. Even other people, you can go and visit them. They can tell you that we don't have a place you to sleep. You know that even it's family members. Family members they don't care, or you are sleeping out. What they don't care, and they tell you that there is no place to sleep, and you don't have money for B&B or what. So sometimes, guys, when you have got your plans, you are planning your things, don't say I will go and sleep at my sister's house or at my in-laws house, because those people they can disappoint you. Other people, guys, they are disappointed, especially we are going from Joburg. You are saying maybe my sister have got a house in Joburg, what, and you go there and they tell you that you don't have a place to sleep. Guys, you can sleep out, you can sleep on the bridge.